Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a tutorial video that is gonna be helpful for a video that's gonna come out later, not today, but later in the future. This video is gonna help out how to port forward, but only for Xfinity users, because that's the internet that I have. This is gonna help you how to port forward for Minecraft, pretty much. For when or if you plan on making your own Minecraft server. Like I said, later, eventually I'm gonna get a video out on how to make a Minecraft server, but I want to get this done first. So yeah, okay, so first off, what you want to do is make sure you go to the internet.xfinity.com. You should have an account, I'm assuming. So what you do is, you click on the little icons right here, so there's this and that and that. Pretty much all you're going to focus on is on the Xfinity S5, click on it. By the way, I have these slash bars are covering the name of my Wi-Fi and the owner of this account. This is my dad's account. I don't want to show off my dad's name, so that's fine. But yeah, so pretty much once you're here, all you have to do is click on this right here. Oh, I don't have my mouse cursor pointed. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna have to click on the Xfinity S5 option. Click on it. Once you get brought here, all you have to do is click on where it says Gateway Online, and then the name of the Wi-Fi, the name of your Wi-Fi. Click on it, and then you'll get brought to this page. Once you're here, you gotta click on See Network. Click on it, and then once you're here, all you have to do is Advanced Settings, and then this option right here is Port Forwarding. Click on that, and then boom, you're here. So I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna get rid of the black box right now, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so this is what you're gonna see. You're not gonna see, for you, it'll be empty, because you haven't port forward anything yet. So what you want to do is you're gonna click on the, okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. So, or actually, pretty much what you do, you add port forward. You're gonna click on the device that you're making a Minecraft server on. For me, it was my computer, this one right here. So I click edit. Click that. Once you do that, the port number should be, for Minecraft, it should always be this. And for protocol, pretty much all you have to do is select either TCP or UDP, or both. I click both, apply changes, and then you're done. It's updating, and boom. Yeah. And that's pretty much how you port forward for Xfinity. I'll show you how to find, okay, so for your, no, I think that, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need. I'll tell you this also, when you also, make a server, it is gonna, you're gonna have to disable your firewall for it to actually work and for other people to join. But I think that's it. That's really how you port forward, because I find Xfinity made it a lot easier. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, I am very sorry for if you even understood anything, because I do have a speech impediment. So yeah, I'm very sorry. But that's gonna be it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.